Veterans Day, 100 years of honoring those who protect our freedom. As Americans, we celebrate the service of all USA military veterans on November 11th. We have teamed up with S.A.V.E. Homefront to build a custom chopper to celebrate 100 years of Veterans Day. My crew at Orange County Choppers and I are setting out to build a bike to honor those brave men and women. So Joan's on her way down.
Okay.
Evidently she got something to tell us.
Okay. Worried.
She's probably going to be late.
I can hear you, jackass.
There she is.
Yeah. Did you just say I was going to be late? I'm not late. I was actually trying to finish a call. Your Wi-Fi stinks down here. So the 100th year anniversary bike that I was talking about, we're definitely doing it. Done. I already have it back. It's signed.
You know, anytime that we could do a military build, it's always, you know, it's kind of right up our alley, and I think that's, you know, I think it's really important to continue to support our military.
I couldn't agree more. OCC has had a super long history with supporting the military and giving back, and it's just a big honor to be a part of this.
I think the next thing we do is we should go in and talk to Jason, kind of give him a heads up of what's going on, and get some sketch or something out there so we can get going on it.
Awesome, man. Sounds good. Thank you for the good news.
Good.
Let's do it.
So.
Jason.
Hey, what's up,
Got some time? Let's go over this 100th anniversary bike, dude. Get some ideas.
Yeah, let's throw something down on paper, right?
Do it, brother.
So, I know you guys were talking about doing like a big rake or something.
Yeah, we're kind of just wanting it to be, you know, a really kind of old school chopper theme with this really cool, I don't know, Art Deco kind of feel to it.
Okay. So, do you guys have a motor picked out?
Yeah, man, we're gonna run a shovel motor. Yeah, we got a 4-speed tranny, and we got a 6-over Springer. So
And
that would
what's
be
the
really
lower
cool.
on the shovel?
So that's gonna be on this one. It's gonna have a mag and a slab side, dude.
Oh,
so it's like
beautiful.
the old school.
Yes.
The cool shovel that you like,
Yes.
dude. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so let's just throw something down here.
Yeah.
So, how many up? Like 2 up, or you want to keep it kind of stock?
I think on the up it's not going to have anything, but we'll go like 40, 45 over on the rake. He was wanting to run like a big front tire, which I thought was cool. Big, tall sissy bar.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay, so like a king and queen. Like
yeah,
2
dude.
up, like a big 2 up.
Yeah.
All right, with like the huge exhaust
Yeah,
kicking.
yeah.
Okay.
I mean, and tall, dude. Like it's going to be a little ridiculous.
I got
and
you.
I'll make some nice little skinny bars. We'll make a cool tank, and I was thinking maybe some inlay on brass on this one, you know?
I love how you did that. You did a seat once with all different textures.
You know, we got 100 years of life in these guys and coming home and working and all these things, and I kept having this, you know, thought process of like cool buildings and some of the old inlays they used to do, and you know,
Like
that
the
really
Empire
handcrafted.
State Building.
Yeah, dude.
How it's like layered together. Okay.
Yeah. It'd be cool. I'm excited, dude. This is definitely, you know, our style. Paul's got some good ideas for a sissy bar I know he wanted to do.
Okay.
He's like the sissy bar king, dude.
He is.
He loves it. If he can twist it up, if he can, dude, he loves sissy bars, right?
If you get him on that machine,
yeah, dude.
rolling, twisting, he'll love life, man, for like ever.
But yeah, that's it, dude.
All right.
Love it.
Cool.
All right, man. Let's get to work.
Hell yeah. So today Josh came in and we went over some concepts and some brainstorming for the Veterans 100-year anniversary chopper. You know what? It's a really cool shovel head. It's got a big Springer front end on it, and we're even going to work in a 2-up seat with a giant sissy bar. So it'll be right up Paul's alley. And more importantly, we don't want to let down any veterans that are out there.